Right now, it's a market which is being propelled by earnings movement, and we've got Bajaj Electricals reporting its quarterly earnings. Q2, the net sales figure coming in at 732 crore rupees. Profitability has gone up slightly. It's at 26 odd crore rupees compared to 24.9 crore rupees on a year-on-year comparison basis. But we've seen the EBITDA margins contracting sharply on a year-on-year comparison basis. We'll try and analyze what happened in the quarter gone by with Mr. Anant Bajaj. He's the Joint Managing Director at Bajaj Electricals, now on the phone line with us from Mumbai. Mr. Bajaj, good afternoon, sir. Thanks for joining in. This is Bianca. Do give us a sense of why there's been such a sharp contraction in your margins. From 7.71%, it's gone down to 3.32% in this quarter.
Yes, thank you, Bianca. The essential areas which have affected our margin is clearly our engineering projects, which has had a decline in its sale for the particular quarter. And this is largely courtesy the fact that and the margin also, of course, has been affected as a result, is because we have essentially spent a lot of time trying to close the old sites which have affected the overall completion of the projects, etc. So we've actually had consciously trying to close out on those old projects so that basically on handing over projects we get a better opportunity to really get the profitability back in position. And overall this trend will continue for another 1 quarter or so. And so perhaps from somewhere around fourth quarter we should start seeing the E&P business, that is the EPC business, coming back strongly. While in the other two segments, top line has been good. There has been some margin effect because essentially the market has had some pricing aspects which we have given new prices in the market, which we expect will show effect in this third quarter. So really it's something which we are conscious about, that we need to close the sites to really come back strongly in E&P, because really that has been the main area where our sales have been growing slowly, but also the margin has been hit a bit quite strongly in this second quarter.
Sure. Mr. Bajaj, thanks very much for that quick clarification on the quarterly earnings figure. The stock right now, Bajaj Electricals, off slightly, about 4%, trading at 215 roughly. We're going to focus on another story.